The American dream is sold as a straight highway where hard work is the only fuel you'll ever need. But if you look closely at the cracks in the asphalt, you'll see some cars start with a full tank. Success isn't just about how hard you grind, but about who wrote the rules of the game you're playing. There is an invisible system operating beneath the surface, systematically favoring those who hold the capital. While the middle class is taught to save pennies, the elite learns to manipulate the massive flows of influence. This isn't a villainous conspiracy, but a power structure designed to protect and perpetuate itself. Confidence, more often than not, is a financial asset far more valuable than raw technical competence. We see heirs occupying leadership roles not because they know more, but because they master the language of command. They learn the etiquette of power, a silent frequency that public schools never dare to teach their students. Elite college degrees function as stamps of authenticity and membership in exclusive, closed-off circles. It's not about the technical knowledge gained, but the contacts made in Oakland clubs and dormitories. A handshake at an Ivy League school is worth more than 10 years of hard work at a common firm. Networking is the true engine of social mobility, acting as bridges over the vast American economic abyss, who, determines which doors open before you even have a chance to present your qualifications. The majority believes the resume is their only weapon, while the winners use their phones and their last names. Wealth generates a psychological stability that allows an individual to plan their future in terms of decades. When your rent is guaranteed for generations, your brain is free to calculate ambitious, high-stakes risks. Poverty, on the other hand, is a constant noise that forces the mind to focus only on immediate survival. The rich and the poor are trained from the cradle to play different games on the great board of life. Some learn to negotiate with authority and see rules as flexible suggestions for those with enough weight. Others are molded by rigid discipline and blind obedience, preparing them to be nothing more than cogs. The education system is a mirror of this division that separates the fates of millions of young Americans. Elite schools prepare leaders and creators, while the rest focus on producing employees who meet deadlines. This disparity ensures the top of the pyramid remains occupied by the same established groups of influence. Justice isn't always blind when a high bank balance steps in to balance the scales of the courtroom. Having the best lawyers transforms crimes into mistakes and mistakes into mere lessons learned along the way. The law punishes those without resources severely, but offers elegant exits for those who fund the structure. The job market is a jungle of subtle signals where your posture speaks louder than your actual experience. Meritocracy is the necessary myth to keep the engine running, giving the illusion that the chance is equal. If you fail, it's your fault. If you win, it's your meritologic that totally ignores the starting point. Inflation and monetary policy do not affect everyone in the same way or in the same statistical proportion. Those closest to the source of money receive the dollars before they lose value in the consumer market. By the time the money reaches the average worker, it no longer buys what it did just a year ago. Real estate is the pillar that concentrates wealth and systematically excludes new dreamers from the market. Access to cheap credit is a privilege of those who already own assets, creating a chasm between owners and renters. The dream of homeownership has become an anchor of debt for some and a passive income stream for others. The American government often acts as an insurance policy for the giants and an executioner for the small citizen. In times of crises, billions are injected at the top to prevent a collapse that they themselves helped create. In the end, the bill is split through taxes and the steady degradation of fundamental public services. The propaganda of relentless consumption keeps the population trapped in an infinite financial hamster wheel. People work jobs they hate to buy things. They don't need to impress strangers who don't even care. This cycle of debt is the modern handcuff that prevents any real attempt at independence or critical thought. Understanding economics isn't just about reading charts. It's about understanding how power is exercised through interest. Every decision made on Wall Street echoes at the dinner table of an average family in the heartland. Financial ignorance is the greatest ally of those who profit from the passivity and fear of the population. Big corporations exert such strong lobbying power that laws are molded to stifle any smaller competition. Free market capitalism, in practice, often transforms into a game of rigged cards and political favors. This stalls real innovation and ensures that the giants continue to dominate the landscape without real threats. To break these chains, you must first accept that pure meritocracy is a fairy tale meant to distract you. Accepting the cruel reality of the board is the only way to start playing defensively and intelligently. Stop being a pawn in someone else's game and start moving your own pieces with surgical intention. Invest in knowledge that traditional institutions refuse to teach in a clear, direct, and honest way. Learn about market cycles, asset protection, and how the tax system favors those who invest over those who work. Technical knowledge is the only tool capable of balancing such a disproportionate field of battle. Create your own circle of influence, seeking minds that challenge common sense and spot the hidden gaps. Don't wait for the system to hand you an opportunity. You must be able to identify and seize the space. Strategy beats brute force in a world where information is worth far more than the sweat of your brow.
Have you ever stopped to think that the videos you just watched with flawless scripts and engaging narrations might have been created by someone who never even touched a camera or a microphone? There is a new digital elite profiting heavily behind the scenes of YouTube and social media, building massive channels without ever showing their faces or spending thousands of dollars on equipment. While most people are frozen by the fear of being on camera, these individuals are using the hidden power of artificial intelligence to generate automated content that works and earns for them 24 hours a day. The secret to dominating this game isn't about having a famous face. It's about knowing how to command the right tools to create scripts, voices, and visuals that magnetically hold the audience's attention. I've gained access to a strategic method that reveals the exact roadmap for you to build your own invisible digital empire. Mastering AI to turn clicks into a real source of income. It is the perfect opportunity for those seeking financial and geographical freedom without having to deal with the pressure of being a public figure on the internet. Best of all, you can seize this opportunity right now for a symbolic price. The complete training is under an exclusive promotion, dropping from $97 to just $17. This is your passport to unlocking the knowledge you need to start your professional journey with AI today. Click the first link in the description to secure your spot while this discount is still active.
Shift your mindset from short-term gains to a vision of decades. Planning your moves with a master's patience. True wealth is not about flash or showing off. It is the freedom to say no to anything that costs you your peace. Be a strategist in the game of life and learn to navigate the murky waters of global macro. The first real step toward wealth is gaining absolute control over your time and your daily decisions. If you sell 8 hours a day to fulfill someone else's dream, you've already started at a disadvantage. Capital must work for you, not the other way around. If you wish to break the barrier of mediocrity, understand that money is merely a tool of exchange and a measure of value within a much larger system. Learn to create real value that does not depend exclusively on your physical presence or your manual labor. Scalability is the order of the day for anyone who wishes to move from survival into true abundance. Watch the cycles of fear and greed that move the markets and learn to act contrary to the panicked mass. When everyone is euphoric, it is time to be cautious. When panic sets in, that is when great fortunes are made. Emotional intelligence is what separates successful investors from gamblers who lose everything in the crash. Avoid the traps of easy credit that financial institutions offer as if they were friendly, helpful gifts. The interest you pay is the wealth you hand over on a silver platter to those who already have enough. Be the master of your debt, or it will be the master of your future and your mental tranquility. Diversify your assets so you aren't at the mercy of a single political decision or one specific economic sector. The world is volatile. What is safe today may only be a memory of a collapsed market by tomorrow. Having multiple income streams is the only way to ensure your ship keeps floating during the storm. Learn to use technology to your advantage, automating processes and reaching markets that were once inaccessible. The digital revolution democratized some tools, but only for those who know how to operate them well. Don't just be a consumer of technology. Be an architect who uses these tools to build your empire. Keep your cost of living below your means, no matter how much your income increases over time. The difference between what you earn and what you spend is the seed of your future financial freedom. Showing off is a beginner's mistake, trying to prove success to people who, in truth, don't really care. Be obsessed with learning how taxes work and how you can legally and ethically reduce your burden. The rich don't pay less just out of malice, but because they know the rules written by the government, there are incentives for those who create jobs and invest in infrastructure. Learn to position yourself there. Never stop studying economic history because patterns of human behavior tend to repeat themselves constantly. Today's financial bubbles have the same roots as crises from centuries ago. Greed and excessive credit. He who knows the past has a much more accurate map to navigate the uncertainties of the present day. Understand that the security of a stable job is often the greatest illusion of safety that exists. You are only one executive decision away from being discarded in the name of quarterly corporate profit. The only real security is your own ability to generate value independently in the open marketplace. Develop skills that are rare and valuable because the market pays for scarcity and problem. If anyone can do what you do, your value will always be pushed down by the weight of competition. Become indispensable or create something that is impossible for the big players in your sector to ignore. Discipline is what keeps you on the path when motivation vanishes and the difficulties begin to mount. Getting rich is not a single isolated event, but the result of thousands of correct small decisions accumulated. Consistency is the most underrated virtue and the most powerful one on the road to financial independence. Know the difference between assets that put money in your pocket and liabilities that only take resources out? A luxury car might look like wealth, but it is a liability that depreciates and demands expensive maintenance. A rental property or a stock portfolio are assets that work for you even while you are fast asleep. Protect your mind from the narratives of victimhood that the system tries to plant to take your agency. Although the game is unfair, focusing on the unfairness won't change your bank account or your life. Use your energy to find the flaws in the system and exploit them instead of just complaining about them. Learn to delegate tasks that are not part of your core competence to gain scale and buy back your time. Your time is your scarcest resource. Spending it on low-value activities is a crime against your prosperity. Hire the talent of others so that you can focus on the strategic vision and the expansion of your business. Maintain an emergency fund that gives you the peace of mind to make decisions without the desperation of scarcity. Desperation makes you accept terrible deals and sell your assets at the worst possible moments in the market. Liquidity is your armor against the unforeseen events that life will inevitably throw in your direction. Stay alert to demographic and technological shifts that change the consumption behavior of the population. Where people spend their time and money today will not be the same place 5 or 10 years from now. Anticipating trends is what separates billionaires from investors who simply follow the herd too late. Be ethical in your transactions, but never confuse ethics with naivety when negotiating with the big sharks. The business world is heartless, and someone's word is only worth as much as the contractual guarantees given. Protect your interests with the same ferocity with which you protect your family and your future. Health is your first and most important asset. Without it, no fortune will have any use or bring any pleasure. Do not sacrifice your physical and mental well-being on the altar of incessant work and chronic stress. A sound mind and a strong body is what will allow you to actually enjoy the fruits of your future harvest. Learn to say no to the majority of opportunities that cross your path so you can focus on what truly matters. An excess of options is a trap that dilutes your focus and prevents you from becoming a master of your craft. Strategic simplicity is the key to managing large empires without losing your sanity or your direction. Real wealth allows you the freedom to be who you are without needing constant external approval. Use money to buy your autonomy, not to buy status that only serves to feed a temporary ego. The power of choice is the greatest luxury that any amount of money can provide to a human being. Reinvest your profits systematically to harness the overwhelming force of compound interest over time. Exponential growth feels slow at the beginning, but after a critical point, it becomes an unstoppable force. Patience and time are the best friends of anyone who wishes to build a solid and lasting legacy. Watch how the big banks behave and try to mimic their strategies of protection and financial leverage. They don't gamble. They calculate probabilities and ensure the house always has a statistical advantage. Be the house in your own financial game and stop being the gambler who relies only on blind luck. The secret to getting rich involves these 3 pillars: knowledge, strategy, and constant, flawless execution. First, understand the rules. Second, play better than the others. Third, never stop learning and evolving. The top is a lonely place, but the view from there makes up for every sacrifice made during the climb. Do not allow the fear of failure to paralyze your actions, for a mistake is just new data for your strategy. Every loss teaches you something that victory would never be able to show about your own weaknesses. Adjust the sails, correct the course, and keep moving forward with the certainty of one who knows the destination. Prosperity is a mental state that materializes through concrete actions and a very clear, sharp vision. If you cannot imagine yourself at the top, you'll never find the stairs necessary to actually get there. Cultivate a mindset of abundance and see the opportunities where others see only obstacles and difficulties. Take control of your financial destiny today, for time is the only resource you can never get back. The system is not going to change to help you, so change yourself to win inside or outside of it. Freedom is within reach for those who have the courage to see the truth and act with grim determination. Power is a neutral tool that amplifies whoever you already are in your deepest and truest essence. Use your ascent to create a positive impact and to protect those who are still trapped in the labyrinth. The true mark of a winner is the ability to change the world around them for the better. This is the reality that no one tells you in television commercials or cheap motivational seminars. Now you have the map and the invisible rules. The next step depends entirely on your own will. The board is set and the clock is ticking. How do you intend to move your next piece? What do you think about this realistic view of power and money in today's complex society? Leave your comment below, subscribe to the channel, and leave a like. If this video opened your eyes, Your journey to true financial freedom begins the moment you finally decide to wake up.